Welcome to Greenfield View, Batley. An absolutely stunning corner plot, beautiful garden, 3 bedrooms, downstairs WC, conservatory. Please allow us to show you around. I'm sure you'll agree, a beautiful home with a fantastic garden, conservatory, separate garage and driveway which can easily accommodate 4 cars. Should you wish to view, give us a call on 01 924 692240 or email hello@trustsl.co.uk. Thank you for viewing.